Greetings everyone, myself Dr. Arun Kumar Palanisamy. I'm working as an assistant professor in Sri Krishna College, Coimbatore. I completed my PhD in Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. So in this video, I'll try to review the short-term program that is mentioned here, designing and developing OER-enabled MOOC. So after completing the profile and signing in, we'll be given a daily plan that is to be followed meticulously. So from the day one, we are instructed to what is the MOOC course, why we need that, and what is the importance of it, and how can we use it in terms of a blended learning or the future for education for all. That is sustainable development goal. We are asked to select a course for our own and then come up with a learning plan. What is the outcome, and upon completion, what the student is able to do, what is the evaluation scheme, and who are the course facilitators. Teachers will be working together, and we'll be linking each and everything to an external complete profile so that student will know who their facilitator is, any LinkedIn profile as well, and the course syllabus will be attached to attend it. So on the day one, in addition to knowing about the learning outcome and choosing a section or a week for our own, we are asked to do an introductory video of our course that comprises all the things that we need to tell about the course. To attend it, they will be inspired. From day 2, what is the previous day 1 activity? It will be reviewed. On day 2, it is for quadrant 1. Here we learned how to add a file or add as a book or a page or a URL, how each and every portion can be added in Q1 or Q2 so that the student will be available. In Q1 means it is e-tutorial, any animation or simulation or video or audio content where the content is active and student will be passively listening or learning from it is the Q1. And in Q2, a self-learning material or a self-explanation material, and an open educational resource or a video or any of the research papers where the student will actively participate or interact in order to learn from it. It is comes under the Q2 or e-content, and this was a really eye-opening session. We learned a lot about the course Creative Commons license and open educational resources. How can we give the attribution properly, and how can we even make our own attribution and publish our own works. And in day 3, it is for the Q3. This is assessment, and we learned how to do the assessments in a presentation manner or a video manner. MCT question will be implemented by a HYP module, and then using Gen AI we can even create rubrics and even scenario based question that the students are asked to complete. And each and everything after the student attended, we'll be reviewing it and guiding. So here we can see that the questions, each and everything will have different marks, just like a normal exam. After attending, we can each and review how each and every student performed, and we can mark accordingly. We'll be having everything in a very uniform manner. We can even give audio feedback and video feedback, and everything can be recorded as well. In addition to creating the quiz, we can create question banks and question sets, as in we can go to question bank in GIF or Aiken format. We can create question banks at a time. We need not to type each and every time. So in the categories, we can see that under each and every section, it can be arranged neatly. A short answer question, it can be multiple choice question, it can be essay question. There is also content bank in which the interactive content or presentation that we have discussed earlier, it will be put inside for later use. So anywhere we can use HYP format, we can get it from here. And on the day 4 that we discussed content bank, content quiz, creating the exam paper and exporting the grade and all, we can do from the grades. We can see here, we can see the participants, and we can see the each and every assignment or each and everything that we have assigned, what is the grade of each and every student. And on the day 5, it is for Q4, that is the learning interaction and support. It can be a poll or it can be a forum, and also the question and answer forum setup. It is very interesting because only if the student answers something, he can see the response of others. So that will decrease the chance of students cheating. You can see poll to ask a student's opinion. It can be anonymous or it can be with the feedback. track the student activity, we can see who is inactive, and we can actually message them as well. And on day 6, we can design a badge, and we can give the students on completion of certain things, and after all the criteria is met, we can give the certificate as well. Finally, prove this, and we can use it in our own course, a blended learning, and it is really helpful, the interactive content. So I thank Dr. Indira Koneru ma'am, and I thank IIT Kharagpur for creating this opportunity to learn great deal of things. Thank you.